I am Zaira Rico, and I am an assistant professor and psychology program director here at SWAU. One of the things that we do really well is that we help students really explore and navigate that psychology world. We help students a lot with graduate school applications, looking for schools that fit their needs, that are accredited. Seniors have the opportunity to go out into the community and intern and get credit for it. So they're exposed to the real world, they get real world experience to put in their resume, and they get credit. You get to really know us, so we really mentor you, make sure that you're mentally and physically doing okay. If we notice our students are struggling, we sit down with them and we touch base. I think we have a very nice and passionate type of atmosphere. We all love what we do and we just want to share that.